fourth match of IPL 2025 will see the Kolkata Knight Riders take on the Punjab Kings at Eden Gardens, Kolkata on April 26th. With the business end of the tournament approaching, both the teams are desperately looking for consistency and points to stay alive in the playoffs race. KKR have shown moments of brilliance but have struggled to maintain the momentum, managing just 3 wins from 8 matches. Their latest outing ended in a 39-run defeat to Gujarat Titans despite a gritty half-century from Ajinkya Rahane. Punjab Kings, on the other hand, sit on the 5th position with 5 wins out of 8, despite a 7-wicket loss to RCB in their last match. Their campaign has been more stable. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two teams. Historically, KKR have dominated this rivalry, winning 21 out of 33 encounters. Punjab Kings have managed 12 victories, but they'll be eager to narrow the gap this season. Moving on to the weather and pitch report. Kolkata is expected to have scattered clouds with the temperatures around 29 degrees Celsius. The Eden Gardens pitch continues to be batting friendly, especially under lights, with an average first innings score of 193 runs. However, chasing teams have poor record, having 37% success rate. Now, where to watch this match? Catch all the live action on Star Sports 1, Star Sports 1 Hindi, and stream it live on Jio Hotstar applications from 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Moving on to the predicted playing 11s. Kolkata Knight Riders. Rahmanullah Gurbaz, the wicketkeeper, opening alongside Sunil Narine, having Ajinkya Rahane, the captain, at number 3, Venkatesh Iyer at number 4, Rinku Singh at number 5, Andrew Russell at number 6, Moeen Ali at number 7, Ramandeep Singh at number 8, Harshit Rana at number 9, Vaibhav Arora at number 10, Varun Chakravarti at number 11, and Ankush Raghuvanshi can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Punjab Kings. Prabhsimran Singh opening alongside Priyansh Arya, having Shreyas Iyer, the captain, at number 3, Josh Inglis, the wicketkeeper, at number 4, Nihal Vadera at number 5, Shashank Singh at number 6, Marcus Stoinis at number 7, Marco Jansen at number 8, Xavier Bartlett at number 9, Arshdeep Singh at number 10, Yuzvendra Chahal at number 11, and Harpreet Brar can come in as the impact player. Now, the Dream 11 fantasy tips and hot picks for this match. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Sunil Narine offers dual value both with bat and the ball. Priyansh Arya, in form, plays a key top order role. Now the top picks. Shreyas Iyer, due for a big knock and a key figure in Punjab Kings' top order. Ajinkya Rahane, fresh off a composed 50 in the last match. Moving on to the budget picks. Marco Jansen, handy both with bat and the ball. Rahmanullah Gurbaz can provide explosive starts. Now moving on to players to avoid. Paila Avinash, yet to feature in the playing 11. Ramandeep Singh, minimal impact in the last matches. Now the Dream 11 team suggestions. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicketkeepers are Prabhsimran Singh. Batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Ajinkya Rahane, Priyansh Arya, and Rinku Singh. All-rounders are Sunil Narine, Andrew Russell, Marco Jansen. And the bowlers are Varun Chakravarti, Harshit Rana, and Arshdeep Singh. This team will be led by KKR all-rounders Sunil Narine, having Shreyas Iyer as the vice-captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket-keepers are Prabhsimran Singh, batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Ajinkya Rahane, and Priyansh Arya. All-rounders are Sunil Narine, Andrew Russell, Marco Jansen. Bowlers are Varun Chakravarti, Harshit Rana, Arshdeep Singh, and Yuzi Chahal. This team will be led by young Priyansh Arya, having KKR captain Ajinkya Rahane as the vice-captain. Moving on to captaincy and vice-captaincy choices. Captains can be Sunil Narine and Priyansh Arya. Vice-captains can be Shreyas Iyer and Ajinkya Rahane. Punt picks can be Rinku Singh and Yuzi Chahal. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 1 wicket-keeper, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounders, and 3 bowlers. Final segment of match winners prediction. Despite Kolkata's strong home record and head-to-head dominance, Punjab Kings appear more balanced and in form. Expect them to edge this contest unless KKR's power hitter fire collectively. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis, and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.